Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to withdraw money from a Shopify account. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So guys, I'm gonna show you two methods. So for the first one is withdrawing money using a Shopify balance account. So first thing that you will do once you are on the Shopify dashboard, just simply go to finances. And once you are on the finances, just click on balance. And on the top right, just click on move money. And from there, guys, just simply scroll down and click on transfer funds from balance. And now, if you already added your bank account, just simply select it. Or if you don't, guys, just simply click on add an account to set up a new one. And from there, just simply provide your bank account information. And now after you enter your account information, just simply click add account, and that's it. And now for the second option is withdrawing money without a Shopify balance account. Just simply go to settings in your Shopify dashboard, and after that, just click on payments. And from there, depending on your payment method, you can just simply select manage under Shopify payments. And from there, guys, just scroll down to the pay account section. And from there, just click on change payout account. And after that, just enter your bank account information and scroll down and click on save. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.